Hi mates, welcome back. Today we're doing equations with pronumerals on both sides. So you've got an equation and you've got an x on both sides of the equation, or y, or whatever it might be. Exercise 7D. There's one sentence that I'm going to write down. You can write down right now. And the rest, I'm just going to do a heap of examples. The best way to learn this is just practice. So I can write a whole page of notes, but that's not really going to help you. So the one rule for this one, when you've got an x on both sides of the equation, get rid of the lowest value of x and then just continue on with the equation like normal. I'll show you what I mean. Alright, so let's have a look here. We've got 5 plus 2x equals 4x minus 1. So there's 2x and there's 4x, which is the lowest value of x. 2x is the lowest value, and it's plus 2x. So how do I get rid of plus 2x? I minus 2x. Which side? To both sides. So you're going to get rid of the lowest value of x. The lowest value of x is 2x, so you're going to minus 2x to both sides. Now watch what happens. Those two cancel. Put the equal sign, like always, directly below it. So on the left-hand side, we just forget about the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, we've just got a 5. And then, because the 2x is cancelled. And now look at the right-hand side. We've got 4x minus 2x, which is 2x, and we've got a negative 1. So now we've got one of those basic two-step equations. We've got 2x minus 1 equals 5. Now we can solve it. Normally we have the x on the left-hand side. So if you're more comfortable like that, spend one line, just go 2x minus 1 equals 5, just to swap them around. Okay, now we should know how to do this pretty quickly. Plus 1 to both sides, 2x equals 6. Divide both sides by 2, and you get x equals 3. And there's your answer. So there's only one extra step that we haven't done before. Get rid of the lowest value of x. Alright, let's do the next one. We've got 9x and we've got 12x. The lowest value of x is 9x. So I'm going to minus 9x to both sides. And they cancel. Again, what I'm writing in red, you do not have to copy. You do not have to do that in a test, but all the steps you must show. So now we're left with 5 on that side. On this side we've got 3x and we've got a plus 11. So now we've got a basic equation already, just from one step. Alright, so we minus 11, I'm going to swap sides. So I've got 3x plus 11 equals 5. Now minus 11 from both sides, we get 3x. 5 minus 11 is minus 6. Divide by 3 and you get negative 2. That's our answer, negative 2. Good job. This is all about process. You follow the steps. You've been showing your workings out one step at a time. You can't go wrong in this. We've got 7x and we've got 5x. So how do we get rid of 5x? We minus 5x to both sides. Always to both sides. Remember that. Put down the equals. On this side we've got, so cover that up. This side we've got 7x minus 5x is 2x plus 4. On this side we've just got 10. Alright, easy peasy now. So minus 4 to both sides, whoops. So we've got 2x equals 6, divide by 2, x equals 3. Alright, next one. Now this one's a slightly different to the other ones. If you look on this side, we've got a plus 6x. On this side, we've got a minus 3x. So which one's the lowest value? Well, of course, the negative value is always the lowest value. So we've got to get rid of minus 3x. The reason why in my sentence over there I didn't say subtract the lowest value or whatever, I said get rid of the lowest value, because if it's a negative here, we don't subtract it. How do I get rid of negative 3x? What's the opposite of that? It's plus 3x. And this is where a lot of people make a mistake. So you've got a plus 3x and they'll cancel. So what do you do this side? You plus 3x. Okay, so I'll let that step sink in. You've got to get rid of the minus 3x, so you're plus 3x to both sides. Put down the equal sign. So we've got 9x plus 4 equals 22. And this should work. A lot of people, when they do it, they'll get 3x here and they'll get a wrong answer. So minus 4 to both sides, this is the easy bit, is 18. Divide by 9, x is equal to 2. Remember, how do you check your answer? You can substitute it in, and you'd make sure both sides of the equation are equal to each other. Alright, let's do another one. 2x is equal to 7x minus 20. Okay, so let's get rid of the lowest value, which is 2x. So we minus 2x to both sides. They cancel. This sometimes tricks a few people. 2x minus 2x, what's the answer? It's 0. 0 equals 5x minus 20. Now what do we do now? I'm just going to, first step, I'm going to bring it all to the left. So 5x minus 20 equals 0. Now, we just work it out like normal. Bring the plus 20 to both sides. So you get 5x equals positive 20. Divide by 5, x equals 4. There's our answer. Alright, I've got two more little questions down here. So let's have a look at this one. We've done one similar to this a few exercises ago. It's a rectangle. So what do we know about a rectangle? We know that this side is equal to that side. So therefore we can make an equation. We can say 8x minus 21 is equal to 4x plus 7, because that must be equal to that, because those two sides are the same value. So let's do this without the minus 4x thing. So we minus 4x to both sides, we get 4x minus 21 equals 7, plus 21 to both sides, we do that in our heads this time, 4x equals 28, divide by 4, 4 7s are 28, so x equals 7. Excellent. One more over here. We've got a 5x and a minus 2x. So the lowest value is minus 2x. How do you get rid of minus 2x? You plus 2x. So I'm just going to actually do it in my head. 5x plus 2x is 7x plus 2. And minus 2x plus 2x, they cancel, so it's just equal to 23. Minus 2 to both sides, 7x equals 21. Divide by 7, x equals 3. So they're the hardest questions you're going to get, but if you can understand them, they're not too hard. It's just the first step, getting rid of the value of x, the lowest value of x. Once you do that right, keep it all, your workings out nice and neat, directly down, always working down the page. Nice and neat, show every step, and you can't go wrong. Good job everyone, here's your work, 7D, 1 to 9, have a go of all of them, and I will see you soon.